Hey everybody, welcome back to Z-Speed. Today we're going to be replacing the side markers and city lights or daytime driving lights in the 0304 headlight assembly Nissan 350Z, and you do have to take off the front wheels. So you're going to go ahead and put that car on jack stands and remove the two front wheels. Basically, we're replacing a 196 bulb, push bulb, and there was also a 196 push bulb for the daytime driving lights, and we're going to replace both those. I'm going to show you how to get in there easily. Right now you can see that I had actually upgraded in around 2006 to this LED light bulb, and it's just not very bright at all. And this side marker right here is completely burned out. So we're going to access both of those. This one's burned out, so that's the main reason we're replacing them. And as you can see, this side marker's burned out as well. So let's get started. So first we have to remove some 10mm bolts down here below. There's a couple right here. Let me give you a different angle. These two right here, those need to come out. And we have a bolt right here, 10mm right here. One right here. And last but not least, we have one more right here. And that kind of frees up this whole flap right here. And then we can move on to the push pins. And so you're going to take a flathead screwdriver, and you can slip it in there and pull up on those push pins, and then it frees it up to remove it. There's another one. Sorry about the light getting in your way there. And then here's one up on top. So there's three there that we're removing. That kind of frees up the inside of the wheel well. There's also two hidden push pins that are right, let's see here, right in here, 1 and 2. You can use your flathead screwdriver and get those out. It's a little tricky getting those back in, I will tell you, but they come out pretty easily. Okay, at this point we've pulled the fender liner out, and it should just slide right out, and we have great access to these bulbs that we're going to be replacing. And here is the side marker way up here, so you can see it'd be pretty hard to access that without removing the fender liner. And the other bulb we're going to be replacing is right here, and that's the daytime driving light, and you can access that pretty easily now. So what we're going to do is just give those a turn counterclockwise, just a slight turn. Okay, I'm going to be using GTR lighting bulbs. The reflex is going in to the daytime driving light position inside the front of the light, and the side markers on 196 GTR lighting as well. Okay. Okay, I've gone ahead and plugged in the bulbs to make sure they're working correctly. And we've got some excellent lighting here. This bulb was not position sensitive, which means I just plugged it in and it worked, I think, either way, but this 196 up top was, and I had to rotate it once before it would light up. So make sure you check the bulbs before you put them in, because we do not want to have to pull them back out to spin the bulb around. Okay? So now we're ready to put these bulbs back in, and I'm going to be honest with you, it's much easier to take them out than it is to put them back in. So you may have to struggle just a little bit to get them in. I had to really manipulate these bulbs, so take your time, do not rush it. It's not going to be just an easy pop it in. You're going to have to get a really good angle on it. So as you can see, I've tilted it in there, and you want to go slowly because you don't want to stretch the wiring harness and pull anything loose. So take your time and ease it in there. I actually had to, with this bulb right here, had to really work at it a little bit more than I did the side marker. But once it slips in like it just did, it's just a little clockwise turn to the right and it pops right in, and it should be snug. Now we're going to insert the side marker, and that's much easier than the other previous bulb. So you just stick it up in there and then it goes. Now we're ready for the fender well to be reinserted. So before we do that though, we're gonna have to replace a few push pins. There's your Nissan parts number, and you could also buy some at AutoZone, but these push pins tend to wear out over time, and they can become brittle. And you can see this one right here snapped, a couple of the prongs snapped off, so be careful and try and replace those worn push pins so that that fender well does not come flapping in the breeze. And here is our beautiful Z logo. We love that, don't we guys? And let's take a look at the brightness here. It's, oh yeah, it's like 3 times as bright as the previous LED that I had in there. So that GTR lighting came through as a winner right there. And let's take a look at the side marker up here. It is much brighter, as you can see, and we'll do a little nighttime shot too and see how it looks. Wow, impressive upgrade. You can see with the headlight off, the parking lights are super bright, so that's a winner in my book. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and Z Speed will be back soon for another video.